You got 6 pounds on it. Shit. Don't horse it. Don't horse it. Just let it fight. Here. Here. Okay, you're good. You're gonna drag. Reeled in. Oh, that's a monster. That's bigger than mine, I think. Yeah, you got 6 pounds. You got a little. That's bigger than mine. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bring it in. I got. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, honey. That's a 3 or 4 pounder.
No.
That is a monster.
Yay!
Wow. Abby, go stand with your fish.
Let's get the hook out. I might need the pliers. Honey, you hooked it good. Can you hold it?
I don't know. Probably not.
Hold it like that. It's got some teeth. Hold it. I want to get it back in the water as soon as we can.